Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And again, I got a big shipment of this product. What am I got? Well, before we go into that, there's our telephone number right there. And don't forget, like and subscribe. So that being said, John, what do we come over? Let's open the curtain up and see what we got. Well, we got a Ford Maverick, man, one of the best selling small trucks you can get. And what did we do for it? Well, we had the Bak Industries Revolver, let's see, is it XST or no, X4TS, right? Yeah. I know, I get the name messed up, but basically it's a Revolver X4S with a T-slot rail, and this is the first Maverick we have done. And I tell you, look how sharp this all looks. I tell you, as you know, I love the T-slot. Why? Well, you can add racks. Like we just sold this gentleman a set of racks to go with this, and we'll be doing a separate video showing the Elevate system by Truxedo, but let's go ahead and show you the cover. Now, this does have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, us putting it on, we double it to 10, which is really good. We also can put a 1-year labor guarantee on this. Now, what I do like about this, it's a nice flush mount. Sits in the bed, low profile, super clean, no joints in here, one clean look here. Now, you do have a left and right release mechanism. So if you're on the driver's side or the passenger side, you can open this up. Now, if you look here, you got a big fat seal. That's going to do a good job of keeping Mother Nature out. So water and anything else you don't want in the bed, this will help out. Now, as you roll this here, you'll see there's a little rubber thing right here. That's in case the cover itself gets a little hot. You don't have to worry about your hands getting a little uncomfortable from opening your cover. Now, these are your stoppers. Now, when I roll, if you notice, they don't really touch the window. The whole idea is you have something in the back, and if something was to hit it and push it forward, it will protect the rear window, which is nice. Now, the Maverick, if I can say, has a very short bed. So if you get a cover like this, if you notice, you're not losing any space in the bed whatsoever. You lose a couple inches on the top, but your window is not covered, so you can still have it open and still look outside. If you have cameras up here, that would work as well. So this is a wonderful setup. Now, if you have the racks on here, like the ones we're going to put on, you can open and close this with the racks on. You do not have to remove them, which is, again, another nice feature. Now, when you're driving, if you look here, this is going to come around this back here. And let's see the little spot right there. I'm going to put it in, and I turn it sideways, and it just locks in there. So, of course, it's a little snug. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself a little more space, put it right in there, turn it, and then I'll snug it up. And that will keep it from moving while you're driving. Now, I always like to tell you the pros and cons of anything I sell. The only negative thing about this one, it's either all the way open or all the way closed. You cannot have it partially open or closed. So that would be the only thing I would consider negative. Everything else I think is terrific on this. Again, look how easy it is to open and close it here. And we get to the end here. Now, the best thing to do is when you go to close it, if you put both hands on the sides, that's a little better. Occasionally, somebody put one side and not the other side, it might not close as good. But all in all, it's a great look. It's Maverick, great truck. This is going to utilize your bed to its fullest because you're going to have your racks here, so you can have stuff up here. If you want to put something lower, you can as well. You can do all kinds of things. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, that is not a problem. For some reason, I still keep getting messages from people saying, well, I wish I can come to Florida and get it from you. Well, you don't have to live in Florida to get this product. We ship anywhere in the country. So if you live in Hawaii, you live in California, Texas, wherever it is, we got you covered. We'll ship it out to you. If you have questions on the installation, we'll walk you through it. Because I know sometimes when you call Real Truck, they're so big now that sometimes they just don't pick up the phone or they don't get back to you for 2 or 3 days. Sorry, Real Truck, but if you buy from us, we'll help you with that. We'll tell you anything you need to know about doing the installation. The benefit buying from us is you get us, especially if you have questions. Now, I know a lot of people are selling this. They're all selling at the same price because they have what we call MAP pricing, minimum advertised pricing. We all sell at the same price. The difference is you get us, and we're here to help you. Again, if you like the product, you can come to the store, let us put it on for you, or we'll ship it out. You can ask for John, our general manager is behind the camera. Does a very good job, by the way, John. And he'll help you get it anywhere you want. So that's it. So this is a review of the Revolver X4TS, if I'm saying it right, by Bak Industries on a Ford Maverick 2024. And I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.